Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get sturdy pop smoke. We'll dive right into the core movements, focusing on an easy method to master this energetic dance. You'll learn how to combine footwork with upper body control, creating that signature sturdy flow. Our goal is to help you feel confident and look great on the dance floor, all while keeping it simple and fun. Let's get started with the basics. Now, let's focus on the essential footwork. Start with your knees slightly bent, ready to move. The core involves shifting your weight smoothly from one foot to the other, almost like a subtle bounce. Practice a simple two-step, moving side to side, keeping your steps light and quick. You can add small, controlled hops or glides to connect your movements, making your footwork look effortless and natural. Remember, consistency is key here. Next, let's integrate your arm movements and overall body flow. Your arms should swing naturally, complementing your footwork, not fighting it. Keep them loose and let them follow the rhythm of your body. Adding subtle chest pops or shoulder shimmies can really elevate your sturdy. Think about maintaining a relaxed, confident posture throughout. This combination of fluid arms and a steady core will give your dance that authentic, powerful feel. Practice these together for maximum impact. Finally, consistent practice is crucial for refining your sturdy. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to go over the steps, building muscle memory. Try dancing to different drill music tracks. This helps you adapt to various tempos and beats. Recording yourself can be incredibly helpful. Watch it back to spot areas where you can improve your flow or add more energy. Remember, the goal is to make it your own, so don't be afraid to infuse your unique style into the movements. Keep practicing, and you'll master it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.